red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat who says meow, meow. D is for dog who barks right now. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish that swims all day. G is for goat with a funny bleat. H is for hat that's on your seat. I is for ice cream, cold and yummy. J is for juice, so sweet in my tummy. K is for kite, flying up so high.